Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Brother HL-L2321D printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First we check our PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. That is very easy to check it. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties, wait for a few seconds, and after that scroll down and find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is go to any web browser that you like. I am going to the Google Chrome. Go to any web browser that you like, and after that in search type Brother HL-L2321D printer driver and hit enter key on your keyboard. Go to the first link, whatever first link is, open that first link, official website of the Brother printer. Here we find OS. If Windows 11 is not selected, then select Windows 11 and select your language that you want. Okay, and after that there are two options for you. First is the full software package, full driver and software package. Click it here, or next option is drivers. I am always goes to the drivers, so I click on the printer driver. It's redirect you to the another web page. Here we find agree to download. Click on that. It's also redirect to another page, and download is started at the top. Here we find download is started and completed. Go to the downloads, click on show in folder, minimize it and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Here we find our setup file, and there are two ways to unzip these printer driver files. Printer driver files are basically a zip file, and we are going to unzip it. There are two ways. First way is right click on it and click on the extract files and click on the OK and extract it on the desktop. Or second way is double click on it or right click on it and click on run as administrator. Both are same. Wait for a few seconds, click on the yes, and here we find unzip process. Okay, first is ask for the browser where it goes to unzip that file. Okay, so I create a new file on the new folder on desktop. So I right click on it, right click on the blank space and right click on the blank space, go to the new folder and I give my print. You can give any name that you like, and after that go to the here browse and click on the browse, go to the desktop and go to the your newly created folder, select that and click on the OK, and here we find decompress, that means unzip or extract. Okay, click on that and unzip process start, click on OK. Here we find my print, double click on the my print folder, double click on this folder, and here we find our drivers, and we are going to install these drivers. That is very easy and simple. Go to the start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners. In the printers and scanners, at the top we find add a printer or scanner. Click on add a printer or scanner, wait for a few seconds and new options are pop up on your screen. New options are the printer that I want isn't listed. Click on that, click on the yes, close it. Next step is here we find add a printer. In add a printer, go to the last option, add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select last option, click on the next. Here we find existing port, most IMP part of this installation. Click at here and select any USB port that you want. USB 001, USB 002, USB 003, USB 004. Select any USB port that you want. Click on the next. Here we find Havdix. Click on Havdix. Go to the browse. Go to the desktop. Here we find one folder. Select our newly extracted folder. Double click on it. Double click on this folder. Here we find one file. Select that file. Click on the open. Click on the OK. And from this all list, find the printer name Brother HL-L2320D. Find this printer. 21 is not find, then find this printer L2320D. It's work with our printer name Brother HL-L2321D. Select that printer and click on the next. Give any name that you like. It is a series printer, so I give my printer name Brother HL-L HL-L2321D. You can free to give any printer name that you want. It is a series printer. It's include many printer. So I click on the next. It's installing our printer and it's take few seconds, so be patient and wait for few seconds to properly install this printer on our Windows 10 PC or laptop. Printer is installed. If you want to share in the network, then select last option. I don't, so I select do not share this printer. Click on the next. If you want to printer test page, then click on a printer test page or click on a finish. Next step is check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanners, if you find your printer name, scroll down and find your printer name Brother HL-L2321D. That means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.